Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Roblox gift card. Keep watching the video till the end. To redeem your Roblox gift card, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in roblox.com and make a search. The official page of Roblox account will appear on the screen. Click on Continue in Browser option at the bottom of the page. Log into your account and the home page of Roblox account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Gift Cards option. On the next page, tap on Redeem Card option. Enter your redemption code and tap on Redeem. This is how you can redeem your Roblox gift card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.